I am going to adhere this to the page, and then I can decorate it and decide what else I want to do. So let us do that. Open that up. I am going to use my tape runner. That is good. And then afterwards, after I do this part, this and this will be glued, so it'll be even stronger. Oops. Alright, so I did that, and now I have to turn this one up. It got a little crooked. I just can't have crooked. It's just not in me. Maybe if I do this one first. Yes, that's more straight. So I will do the bottom first. Yes, yes, it is straight. And now I will turn over the side, and I can see I need to do a little adjusting because this edge does not meet up with that edge. So we'll cut that off. And now turn that over. And it wasn't exactly on that score line, but it is all good. So you want that to be flat. Now this is open over here. What I am going to do is, remember when I put the brads over here? I am going to put maybe 2 or 3 brads down. Yes, yes, I am. Let's find those brads again. And because I followed my own rule of putting things back where they belong, I was able to find them. That is good. There's still a little bit of that tape showing. I love it. It's fine. Here's my puncture tool. And I think I'll go right there. Can I feel where I just did it? I don't think so. That's all right. Oh, there it is. Right there. I have 3 brads on, and it's really not a problem. Only I know this, and now all of yous, but I didn't put them exactly in a straight line. But who's going to notice? Now, had they not been in a straight line and they were colored, I would definitely have done them over, but the black just blends right in. And on this corner, I'm going to angle it up. There. I have that Merry Christmas embellishment that I got at Dollar Tree, and it looks good there. I trimmed a piece of red paper to put it on so it would stand out. Now, I think that it just needs something around the edge. I think I would like a thin edge of black on here. So let me see if I can do something with that. Maybe I have some black washi tape.